Do you want to make $100 a day online without ever showing your face? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using ChatGPT. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a secret tip that can multiply your earnings. Let's talk about ChatGPT. You already know it's a powerful AI tool that creates articles, videos, and even full websites in seconds. Typing a few words and getting high-quality content ready to post or sell. And here's the thing, by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how to turn that content into real money in your account. Here's where it gets exciting. I'll show you how to create content that people actually pay for. You feed ChatGPT a topic, and in seconds, it produces content you can instantly repurpose for income. But here's the twist. Don't publish it immediately. I'll explain in a moment how to make it stand out so you get more traffic and higher earnings. By the way, this step alone can become a repeating source of daily income once you know the strategy. Now, let's monetize it. You can upload your AI-generated content to sites like Medium, a personal blog, or even affiliate platforms. Every view, click, or download could be real money hitting your account. And here's a little secret that most people skip. If you add a free downloadable guide or bonus resource, people stay longer on your page, which can double your earnings. Stick with me, because at the end, I'll show you exactly what this guide should look like. It's one of the best-kept tricks for faceless creators. If this is making sense so far, take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell. You'll get notified when I show the secret multiplier method at the end that most beginners overlook. Okay, so you've seen how to make your first $10, $20, maybe even $50 per day. But scaling is where the magic happens. By consistently posting content, scheduling it ahead of time, and reusing AI-generated content in slightly different ways, you can grow your income into hundreds per day. And yes, this is fully automatable, meaning you don't have to sit in front of the screen all day. I'll explain the automation process in a moment, so make sure you watch until the end. Here's the part most people miss. Instead of just relying on one website, you can combine multiple platforms: blogs, Medium, affiliate sites, and even YouTube Shorts. By doing this, you multiply your income streams without creating new content from scratch. And yes, you can do all of this completely faceless. If you implement just this one tip, you could see your earnings double in less than a month. So now you know how to make $100 per day online with ChatGPT. No face required. But this is just the beginning. I've put together a complete guide called AI Money Machine: 5 systems that earn while you sleep, along with a bonus guide of 20 powerful websites and tools to help you scale your earnings faster. You can download them for free right now. The link is in the description. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom with AI, like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to automate your first real income stream, step by step. Don't just watch others succeed. Start today. Your first dollar online could be just a few minutes away.